Hello friends, this is Durga again from ITversity, a one-stop shop to learn all the technologies. So as part of this video, I'll be giving highlights about the first lesson of Big Data Workshop certificate, especially for certifications. This is about to get started so that you can have the necessary tools and understanding about the environment to learn the skills or to prepare for the certification. Okay, it's primarily to understand how to get started with respect to this workshop. We'll be covering these topics as part of this lesson. So a lesson in my course is nothing but a series of topics, and we will see multiple topics as part of this course. So first one will be understanding about Hadoop environment. Either you have to sign up for ITversity Big Data Lab, or you have to set up Cloudera Quick Start VM or Hortonworks Sandbox. One is enough. You don't need to have everything. Okay. If it is Cloudera Quick Start VM or Hortonworks Sandbox, you need to have 16 GB laptop, and then you have to download virtual machine and you have to set up virtual machine on your laptop. Same is the case with Hortonworks Sandbox. With respect to Big Data Lab, you have to pay. There are several plans which I will explain, and then you have to pay for it, and a lot of time will be saved in setting up the environment. We will actually see the details when we get into the topic about setting up Hadoop environment. And then with respect to accessing the Hadoop environment, you need to understand how we can access Hadoop environment using different tools. You will be understanding a tool called Ambari or Cloudera Manager if it is Cloudera Quick Start VM. And also you need to understand how you can interact with some additional tools like SSH based tools such as PuTTY, etc. So this topic will cover about all those details. And then we will review all the tools on whatever environment we try to choose. I will be demonstrating primarily on Big Data Lab, but you can try those things on other environments also, such as Cloudera Quick Start VM or Hortonworks Sandbox. And then we will also see necessary steps to set up development environment on the laptop. So if you are IT professional, you will be typically developing on your laptop and you will be deploying on the cluster. So whether it is Big Data Lab or Quick Start VM or Sandbox, the Hadoop environment, you should visualize it as production cluster, and you have to have all the development tools as on your laptop so that you develop on your laptop and then deploy it on cluster. So I will be covering how to take care of setting up all the tools on Windows or Mac or both, and from there we will start exploring the skills. So these are the things which will be covered as part of this lesson. This is just getting started. We will not be getting into too much of depth. So when I actually demonstrate certain topics such as simple program using Spark, even though you don't understand syntax, just pass on. You don't need to break your head at this level. We will actually get into the deep later when we start exploring the stuff. But I am reviewing the tools so that you can validate and make sure that everything is available for you, no matter which environment you have chosen. That's the main intention of reviewing all the tools as part of this lesson in subsequent topics. Okay, that being said, I hope you will be enjoying the content. If you like the content, please share it. It's pretty easy to share on the social networking platforms, and also feel free to provide the feedback in the comment section. But if you want to discuss, don't use comment section. Means if you want to raise any issue, don't use comment section. Rather, let me just give me a moment. So I have a forum based website. You just post it, post any questions in that. For typical feedback, you can use the comment section, but for the actual technical questions, please start using the discussion forums so that um, uh, anyone can respond to your questions. Okay. That being said, I hope you're enjoying the content, and we will talk soon in different topic in this workshop series. Thank you. Bye.